hooked on you, baby, you're golden.
How's it going, Abe? Welcome back to the Great Green North. Welcome to the 2024 lawn season. It is finally here. Today we're going to be doing a channel update, telling you guys about everything that's coming up here on the channel that you can expect from the Great Green North for the 2024 lawn season and all that stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, let's talk about what Great Green North Lawn Care is. Great Green North Lawn Care was started by me, Wade Murray, in Ontario, where I'm located in the GTA. And what I strive to do is to teach Canadian homeowners how to improve their lawn, have the best lawn on the block, give them consumer lawn tips that people definitely don't know or stuff they don't know. From somebody who worked in the lawn care industry, as well as I am a lawn care enthusiast myself, my goal is to help support you guys as homeowners. So we do that through educational videos, we do that through lawn tips, we promote good products, we promote good lawnmowers, we review stuff, all that stuff to try to help you guys have an easier experience trying to have the best lawn on the block. So if that sounds like a good idea to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we got plenty of great lawn content coming up. And if you know any of your neighbors or anybody who needs help with their lawn, hit that share button, share it with your friends and family, and we can help grow the channel. So the plan for the upload schedule for the 2024 lawn season is to upload at least one full-length video a week. That's most likely going to come either Saturday or Sunday, as well as one more long-form video a month. So this might be a podcast or maybe some sort of more long-form experiment, as well as a short every week as well. So we're going to try to keep that content moving for you guys. So definitely, if you have any video ideas or anything you guys want to see on the channel, we're always open to leaving them down in the comments below, and then we can see if we can make a video work that way. This year, continuing in 2024, I'm going to be partnering with GrowForge Lawn Care Products again. We're going to be hopefully doing maybe some sort of giveaway or something for you guys, as well as we're going to be doing more testing in my lawn with different new upcoming products. We're going to be testing their new granular product, as well as I do have intentions to do some mono stand test plots this year. So that's another thing coming up. If you guys are interested in different grass types or you're more of a lawn care enthusiast like I am, I will be testing some mono stand grass plots in my side yard. I'm planning on doing 4 or 5 mono stands. We're going to plant those this spring and we're going to see how they last through the summer heat and all that stuff. As well as I mentioned before, I did purchase a new lawnmower last year at the end of the year and I didn't get the chance to review it, so we will have that and maybe one other lawnmower review for this season. We'll be reviewing it, telling you guys what the pros and cons are and if it's worth buying for a consumer like yourself. So continuing with last year, we're going to be continuing with the lawn tip question and emails. If you guys want to have a question, you can submit it in the comment down below. You can send it to my email, greatgreennorthlawncare@gmail.com, my website, greatgreennorthlawncare.ca, or you guys can send it to my Instagram as well, @greatgreennorthlawn. And we'll be doing, I'll try my best to get as many of you answered as I possibly can. As I've said, I do have a day job. This is not my full-time gig, so my time is limited sometimes, and I do apologize if I don't get to your question. I apologize in advance, but I do try my best to answer as many questions as possible. And again, spring and fall renovation. We're going to be doing both this year. We're going to be comparing and contrasting what's better, spring or fall. So for those of you who are interested in seeing that, we got that content coming up as well. For those of you who like the podcast too, I didn't forget about you. The podcast is going to be continuing this year. It's going to be the same as last year, pretty sporadic upload schedule, maybe once a month, once every other month for the duration of the season. Hoping to have special guest Ryan DeMay come back on the podcast this year. We've been communicating with each other to see if we can set up a time to schedule a nice cast, maybe sometime in the summer. So definitely looking forward to that. So if all those things sound like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button down below, like this video, leave a comment about what you want to see on the channel. We got great stuff coming up for the 2024 lawn season. We're just starting out here, and I can't wait to get out in the lawn. So from the Great Green North, my name is Wade Murray. As always, any questions or comments, concerns, leave them down below. From the Great Green North, my name is Wade Murray. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, keep it green.